All right, so we finally got the package and we're gonna open it up and see what came in the box. It's gonna be a different type of video. This is something special for the truck, for the Gladiator. Let's see. The phone sees first. Oh shoot. First look. Damn. This is beautiful. If you guys don't know what this is, it is the wheel ring lights. And these are gonna make the American forces that we have on the Gladiator pop out so much. I'm excited. So yeah, we'll grab all 4. Right now it's currently nighttime, so the next clip I'll show you guys is gonna be us most likely during the daytime installing these bad boys. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. All right guys, it is currently day 2 of the process. Those clips you guys saw were from last night, but it got too late, so we didn't want to make too much noise to wake up the neighbors, so we called it a night. And today we woke up early and decided to work on it. What are we gonna do right now?
So right now we removed the caliper because we need to have a nice free access to the dust shield. Since we are gonna drill it, we're not gonna use self tappers. We're gonna do it the right way. So we're gonna go ahead, drill the holes, spray paint them so they don't corrode, because dust shields is like one of the #1 things that rust right away. And if it rusts, that means the lights are gonna fall off. So that's the last thing we want.
What's the saying you like? We don't like rust around here?
Yep. Not here. Do once. Wait. How is it? I forgot. My bad. Just ignore me.
Guys, if you aren't subscribed to him, make sure you guys subscribe. It's at Fat Jeeps. I'll put a little pop tag here.
Alright.
This is his Jeep.
So we have to remove the caliper, and now we're getting to the actual rotor. Hopefully it goes as planned. Nice and clean. It's gonna come right off now.
Easy.
Okay. Do not put this on the floor. You don't want the rocks to chip it away.
I'm gonna bring it right.
Or scratch it.
How many holes did you make?
Huh?
How many holes?
4.
So the 4 brackets?
Yeah, but can you give me the the rotor?
Bring it again?
Yeah. Alright, so we already installed the brackets with the screw and the nut. We gotta go to either AutoZone or Walmart later so we can put Loctite thread locker, sorry. So we don't have to worry about it, wiggling off. So everything's on good. Now we're just putting the caliper back on. Obviously make sure that there's clearance, there's nothing touching, rubbing. And then we're gonna go ahead, once everything's good, torque everything back to spec.
You're gonna twerk?
Torque. And then from there, we'll focus on the other 4 wheels, and then we do wiring.
With these lights, there weren't really any clear instructions on what to do with this part with the brackets. And there were no extra screws either, so we're just gonna use zip ties to cover this hole and hold the lights in place.
Not only that, it does give it a little bit more flexibility, and if we need to get to it, all we gotta do is just cut it.
So if any of you guys are wondering what to do on this part, just use zip ties.
You can use screws, but I just feel like the screws too, with a lot of vibration, it could cut away through the light because of the threads. Zip ties, just the plastic, and it's not gonna rub.
We're gonna take off this rotor right now, but we have to take out this little screw first.
Wait, you took the screw with you? It came off easy?
Yeah. Keep this safe. Now this is where we're gonna have to install the brackets that are gonna hold the ring lights.
Guys, the kit we did buy, it says to use a 1/8 inch drill bit, but we did have to go a little bit bigger, so I think
They made an error.
Yeah, they made an error on their part.
Because it was definitely not 1/8. Sorry guys, I didn't get my nails done. So what we tend to do first is we'll put it on everything by hand, put everything on.
Just to do a little mock setup, see how everything's looking.
To see if we need to adjust anything. So like that is perfect.
We did notice too that if some of the brackets are too in or too out, the actual ring it won't be a circle. It'll look like an oval.
Yeah.
So you have to play a little bit with the brackets where you place them.
Even using the holes that they provided for you, if you mock them up straight for some reason, I don't know if it's the dust shield, but it came out a little bit like an oval. So I know for sure we're gonna have to do the same thing on this side. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Hopefully everything mocks up just perfect. That'd be great.
Alright, so after putting the brackets, we put the ring light, and now we're seeing if it
looks like you're clear. I'm praying it does.
Why? We'll put.
Everything looks good.
Yeah, I think it looks great. The shape looks great too.
Yeah,
we had more issues. We had more issues on that other side over there.
Yeah.
You can see the ring on the other side over there installed already. But this one came out.
So far, let's see how it comes out.
Catch the rest up right now. All those videos you guys saw earlier today, well, those clips you guys saw earlier, you can't even see it. Let me see if I can turn on the flashlight. That was us earlier today, working on it. And we did but as you guys can see, we have finished the front end of the car. We still haven't worked on the wiring yet. We're only on the installation aspect, but look at those rims, beautiful. Yeah, let's get started on this. This rear was way harder than I imagined. Well, at least harder than the front. Alright, let's get into it. Guys, to remove this, we gotta get this little magic screw right there. That one and that bottom one right there. So, let's start doing that. Let's get into it. I'll show you guys once I remove those two screws, and I'll show you guys what we have so far. Well, something I just noticed. This rear uses a 21 socket, and well, no, actually it doesn't. The front uses a 21 socket, and the 21 socket does not work in the rear. You guys are gonna have to use a 19. The 19 is, let me see. Yeah, a 19 is what fits. So I guess the rear uses a 19, and the front end uses a 21. Alright guys, we just finished putting these brackets on. As you guys can see, the lights are looking pretty clean. We had to push it on this side a bit so that the brakes don't touch the actual lights. Everything's looking very good so far. It's getting late and I have school tomorrow, but it's part of the grind. Guys. Oof. Oh.
Oh boy,
it looks beautiful. Look at the remote.
Yeah, I'm still working on the wiring, but
oh my god,
changes up the whole.
Look at that. I want to get more lights on this too. Change it to green. I think I love the green. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm more of a blue.
Yo, the blue, the green. Oh my god.
Bro, I'm gonna be honest with you. With this,
it is fire, bro.
You don't even need rock lights with this.
Nah, not really.
It does everything pretty much.
I mean, I could get one like under there. Like
no,
two?
yeah, but that'll.
Two.
Let me see the modes. I like the modes.
Look at that, bro. The
Show
modes
the
are
grill.
cool. Look at that. Oh, that was the grill stuff. Damn. Yo. Oh my god, I'm excited. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put reactions of my friends. That would be cool.
Yeah.
Oh, this side is on too. Jeez, man. I'm in love with it. How do you feel about it?
Beautiful. I think I'll buy a pair for the JT.
For real?
I don't understand why you're so